How's it, everybody? Welcome back to Hamajang Eats. I'm Parker Lolo. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Malibu Bay Breeze Cocktail. There's only 3 ingredients. It's got coconut rum, pineapple juice, and cranberry juice. All right, let's get to this drink. Let's get some ice in here. All right. 1.5 ounce of coconut rum. I'm using Malibu. And no, I'm not getting sponsored. Two ounces pineapple juice. Ounce and a half right there. And we'll just flip this over, do a 1/2 ounce. 2 ounces total. Ounce and a half cranberry juice. And a 1/2 ounce right there. Not gonna shake this. Take a spoon. So it's nice and mixed, nice and cold. Take my julep strainer. My glass. Nice and strain. A little pour over. Top that off. A little bit more ice. Gonna add a little mango lollipop. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Mango lollipop. Smells awesome. Wow, that is freaking perfect. It's refreshing. It's sweet. Got coconut flavor right there. That is a perfect, refreshing summertime out in the sun drink. It almost tastes like juice. It's not too sweet. It's not too tart. It's just right, huh? That's freaking ono. Again, 3 ingredients: coconut rum, pineapple juice, cranberry juice, ice, and I got my mango stick right here. So let me try. That's ono. So we'll see you guys next week.